How to remove access denied website in Google Chrome. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To fix the issue of access denied or access denied in website, first of all, force close the Chrome app completely. Once you swipe the Chrome away, head over to clear the browsing data. For this, open Google Chrome, tap on the three dots on the bottom right and then go to History. Then after tap on delete browsing data option and then tap on delete data. You can also select the time range from last hour, last 24 hours or last 7 days. Once this is done, also make sure to disable VPN or proxy if it's active. For this, head over to your device settings, search for VPN option. If active, tap on disconnect option. However, if you are using apps like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, you need to disconnect it from within the application. After this, make sure to switch the network and it should be stable. It could be either Wi Fi or mobile data. However, if nothing works, you might have to reset the network settings. So, this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.